Oh baby, these curls are bouncing back. And I have my latch hook, and I will just take small sections and crochet it through, no leave out. Okay, this looks so good. It's giving real hair. Yeah. Infor wig, baby. I sent your girl some lashes, a wig cap, Kinky curly, 18 inches. Got combs in the back. And this Infor wig is a little different. It has like some type, like some steel boning. That's different. Let's test it out. And of course you have your clips in the front to keep the wig in place. So 18 inches, Kinky curly. The curls look really good. They're pretty uniform. So I'm going to define my curls using some water and mousse. Even though it's curly hair, I can easily run my fingers through it. And here's my foundation. As you can see, I do not have any leave out because we're going to do the crochet method. Ooh, this is 18 inches. She's definitely going to give natural vibes. And you can see I do not have any of my hair left out, so I do not have to worry about trying to match my hair with these curls. I'm going to take these clips and push that right through, right there. Push that back. Okay, so here we go with no product. This is the natural state of the hair before I add any product. And it looks really good. Let me hurry up. Real cute, real cute. Okay, let's put this back on because I'm going to go ahead and define my curls and then do my makeup. And then I can come back and do the finished look because I don't want to leave the house with my hair wet. So I need time for my hair to dry. But right now I'm going to go ahead and just part out the perimeter of this top section because this is what I'm going to use to crochet through my hair. See? Not a lot, just a thin strip. Okay, so here's my leave out. Let's just get this out the way. Okay, so I started my makeup and I went ahead and put on these lashes. This is what they look like. They are very dramatic. So we're gonna pause on the makeup and I'm gonna go ahead and define my curls. I have water and mousse. I'm gonna define my curls in about 5 sections. Oh baby, these curls are bouncing back. See, it's true to length, 18 inches. Just the curls will cause the shrinkage. That section is defined, and I'll remove my clip, and then I'll just kind of like shingle them together so it's no separation. Keep moving. And I like to comb it starting from the ends and work my way up. Keep that quick. It's detangled. Okay. Curls are defined and it took about 7 minutes. Here's my curls wet. Let's let this dry a little bit and I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and be back. Okay, makeup done. The curls look so good. Finish this part. Let me show you. I got about this much shedding. Not too bad for curly hair. And I have my latch hook. And I will just take small sections of this hair that I pulled out and crochet it through my leave out, going down, picking it up, pulling it back through, and pulling it over. And then on this side, same thing, I will go down pull it through, pull it over. And the more hair you pull over, the closer it will come to your part. So it looks far apart now, but don't worry, it's gonna get closer. And see here, I'm just going all the way around, even in the back. My arms hurt. Okay, so I crocheted everything through. Now let's define the curls. Here's the leave out. Here's the curls. Get this off so I can see. It's cold in here. I know it's summertime, but the air does not have to be up there. So I think I want a few layers just to frame my face. Oh, that might be too short because it's wet right now. Well, let's copy and paste. I'm all done. I think I want to diffuse it to dry it a little bit more because it's wet right now, like 30% wet. And my leave out. Okay, let me diffuse it just for a little bit. Okay, better. This looks so good. So cute. And this wig fit perfect. Like, look how it just swoops behind my ear here. It's very comfortable. It stops right here at my nape. It doesn't come all the way down. Some U-part wigs come all the way down here. This one doesn't. That's perfect. No leave out. The curls are gorgeous. And I love how this isn't super neat. I think it's better just pulling my hair down instead of braiding it real close when I did this method. This is perfect. Yeah. So here's the finished look. It's so cute. All right, y'all, so it's been about 10 hours since I styled my hair. This is what it look like. It's so cute. I love it. The vibes, the natural. It's giving, baby. Here's my leave out. I'm going to just put a bonnet on and I'll show you what it looked like before I take it out as well. Here it is. See you guys. All right, y'all, so it's been about, yeah, today is Tuesday and I did my hair last Thursday. So it's been about 5 days that I've had this wig on. They do suggest taking it on and off, but baby, I didn't, because who crocheting that in every time? I'm not. Part's still there. She's hiding, but she's there. And here's the final look. This wig is definitely a keeper. And then like the curls look so good. Like, I haven't defined them since I installed this wig, but the curls still, can Thanksgiving. So this hair, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Somebody's cutting grass outside. Gotta go. Love you. Peace.